Okay, so welcome back. Now, in this example here, we're given cosine of theta is negative 0.1298, and we're given thetas, of course, at least 0 degrees and less than 360 degrees, as before. So now, if we use, just to show you what happens with cosine here, if we use cosine of 12, so let's use theta is equal to positive. Let's use cosine inverse of positive 0.1298. Okay, then we're going to get the reference angle. And the reference angle in your calculator is going to be approximately 82.54. Degrees. Okay, now that's the reference angle, but we know that cosine is going to be negative in the second and third quadrants. Okay, so that means to get the second quadrant angle, right, we would have to add, we would have to subtract this from 180, right? So to get the second quadrant angle, we would take 180 degrees minus 82.54 degrees, and so that's going to give us a angle of 97.46 degrees, right? Now, to get the third quadrant angle, we would add, right? So to get the third quadrant angle, we would take 180 and we would add the 82.54 degrees, which would give us 262.54 degrees, right? Okay, and so now, now again, so here's the thing. What if we use the negative, okay? So now in this case, the cosine of a negative number will not give us the reference angle. Okay, so let's do that. So if we take the inverse cosine of negative 0.1298, that's actually going to give us the second quadrant angle. Okay, it's not going to give us the reference angle. So in this case, it's going to give us 97.46. So 97.46 degrees, okay? So, now here's the thing. We still got to find the reference angle, because if it's going to be difficult to find the third quadrant angle if we don't know the reference angle first. So again, to find the reference angle, right? To find the reference angle, alpha, let's say, we have to take this and subtract it from 180. So we take 180 degrees minus the 97.46, and that's going to give us the 82.54 degrees. Okay, and so now that we've got the reference angle, now we take the 180 degrees plus the 82.54, and that gives us the 262.54 degrees again. And so then we get the two angles. Okay, so again, just got to make sure you understand what you're doing and that you visualize. So this is where a lot of mental gymnastics comes in, because you've got to visualize where this angle falls, and then what the reference angle is, and then what you need to do with that reference angle to get the required angle that you want. Okay, see you next time.